Hey everybody, how are you doing? Okay. Alright, let's settle down. Hello Vikings, I'm your host BK. Yes, they really did get that desperate. All jokes aside, it's an honor to be here with you tonight. Look who's here, we got Jason Smith. Can't believe they gave that guy an invitation. We've also got Vic the Viking himself. Thanks for coming out here tonight, Mr. Viking. Rocking those horns as always. We're an excellent company, my friends. Glad you could all make it, and happy homecoming. Homecoming last year feels pretty recently, honestly. Not much has happened since then. Oh, wait. Global pandemic, loss of many loved celebrities, war scare, yada yada yada. We've been going through a lot this year. So tonight, try and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. To help me introduce tonight's nominees, please welcome to the stage Barack Obama. Oh, wait. Hold on, sorry. I read that wrong. I meant to say, welcome to the stage, Thomas Falanchi.
Thank you for the introduction, Braden. I have the honor tonight to announce the nominees for Cutest Smile, an award we all wish to earn one day. The nominees are, well, there's only one, Owen Wilson.
Wow. I didn't know my smile was that cute, but been working on it. Whitening strips, they do the trick. It's pretty cool.
Wow, congratulations, Owen, and thank you all for watching. Don't go anywhere. Vikies, cheerleaders, and more when we come back. Oh, wait. I just remembered. We aren't doing commercials, so never mind, guys. Sorry, my bad. I'm a little rusty. It's been a while. Speaking of been a while, the Viewmont cheerleaders, they've been locked down for a little bit, but they're back tonight. So, give it up for the Viewmont cheerleaders.
God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't confess. I feel good sometimes I don't complain. I finesse down Western Road, might go down to G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that Northside E. And still, bad things. It's a lot of bad things. They really She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
Okay, wow, that was outstanding. Truly, guys, you guys must have been working really hard during that quarantine. We really learned how much we need you at the football games because the student body isn't that good at doing push-ups after touchdowns. But luckily, they didn't have to do too many of those. They might need to get a new host by the end of tonight. Alright. Moving on, we've got another Vicky Award to give out. Here to introduce the award is Viewmont student Gloria Morris.
Hello. The Vicky Award I'm introducing tonight is Biggest Feat. As we all know, having the biggest feat takes work, commitment, and most importantly, genetics. Here are a few of the nominees for Biggest Feat. And the award goes to Owen Wilson!
Wow, I didn't even know I'd get nominated for that. I don't have big feet, but, you know, shout out to Adidas for sponsoring my feet. It's pretty cool.
Good stuff, guys. Big feet. Now it feels like a great time to hear from Christopher West on the keyboard.
Tonight, I'm announcing the award for Most Likely to be Beethoven. The award goes to Christopher West!
Wow, Chris, that was truly amazing. I think you guys are really going to like this next part. As some of you may know, we are in the presence of royalty. No, it's not the Queen of England, and no, it's not the Tiger King. That's right, Vikes. Give it up for our homecoming royalty.
And now your 2020 homecoming royalty! First up, your second attendance, Cody Muir. Cody likes to play Warzone with the boys, and his celebrity crush is Shakira. He is deciding between being a shoe cobbler or a blacksmith when he grows up, and if he could use any song to describe his life, he would choose Simple Man by the Charlie Daniels Band. And Elena Richins. Elena's celebrity crush is Tom Ellis, and she wants to be a photographer when she grows up. One song that describes her life is Marilosa by Peachtree Rascals. In her free time, Elena enjoys reading.
Next, your first attendance, Carter Gasaway. Carter wants to be an investment banker or a physical therapist when he grows up. He loves to play baseball and hang out with friends during his free time. His celebrity crush is Kelsey Ballerini. He doesn't know a song to describe his life, but his favorite song is Talkin' Tennessee by Morgan Wallen. And Grace Bollender. Grace loves hanging out with her friends in her free time. Wants to be the president when she is older, and her celebrity crush is Ludacris. If she had to choose one song to describe her life, she would choose Rest of My Life by Ludacris.
And last, your 2020 homecoming king and queen. Your 2020 homecoming king is Isaac Kimball. Isaac just wants to be cool when he grows up. He likes fixing old cameras and hiking. A song that would best describe his life would be the Office theme song, but in a minor key. And Isaac's celebrity crush is Zendaya. And your 2020 homecoming queen is Amber Covey. One song to describe Amber's life is The Mountain by Fauza. Her celebrity crush is Cole Sprouse. Amber likes to hang out with her friends in her free time and wants to be a social worker when she is older.
Give it up for your 2020 Hoco royalty!
Woo! Congrats, guys. Truly, I envy you. The best award I've ever won was Best Halloween Costume back in 2nd grade. I got 3rd place. But enough about me and my prestigious resume. It's time to welcome another outstanding Viewmont High group. Please welcome the Poly Dance Club.
Kua e I kamakani ka mo'olelo Hawaii he o ka humanu ho'olo he ina pono me ka pai aina o Hawaii malama mau Hawaii malama mau Hawaii. my own
Wow, great job, Poly Dance Club. You've done it once again. We're coming near the end of the night, so I'm going to introduce one last Vicky Award. Please welcome Brash Emery.
Alright everyone, the award I'm giving out tonight goes to the Viewmont Vikels for the highest kick award. Congratulations to them and shout out to the Vikels.
Okay guys, it's been a really good night, but we're gonna have to wrap it up. We've had a lot of beautiful talent here tonight, a lot of laughing, a lot of crying. So as a final goodbye, we'd like to welcome the Vikels to end it off.
3, 2, 1. Snoop Dogg.
Now I'm back getting another bag. Clocking the grip, never gonna slip. I put the on grip. C's up, G's up, B's up, all. He's up, we's up, East up. Get a real woman, don't trust these. And when you're around the cops, don't say three much.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Countdown. 1.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo! Back again. That's right. Luda. Feel this. This gets meaner and meaner each time, baby. Feeling real good too. What up, Uncle Face? Yeah. I'm never going nowhere, so don't try me. My music sticks in fans' veins like an ivy. Flows poison like ivy. Oh, they grimy. Already offers on my 6th album for labels trying to sign me. Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot. Alright. Rappers swearing they